Yo, what is up, guys? That Photo Scott on here. In today's video, we're gonna be reacting to best or no, that ain't it. Shit. Yo, what is up, guys? That Photo Scott on here. In today's video, we're gonna be reacting to engine swaps that shouldn't be done. With that being said, let's get straight into it.
Truck.
Oh, so it's the truck. Okay, so it's not the Viper. Well, I mean it is, but it's not. Which would you? Would I rather have a Hellcat or a Viper? A Viper. I mean, it is technically a Viper, but it's really not because it's the truck version of it. That'd be hard to choose from a Hellcat to a Viper. Oh, okay. The wheels though, I don't. Oh man, that if a Hellcat looked better than that, yeah, Hellcat. Sorry. This isn't like really like all that because it's.
But I don't think I've ever seen
a lot of people. I feel like a lot of people have done this, especially with that one guy on TikTok.
Into an 8.6 chassis. We're here with Brad from Zoom Garage in Australia, who's done exactly that. We're going to find out.
Again, it's not that impressive. Like, I mean, it is. Don't get me wrong, but. It is still cool, though. It is. I'll give you credit. It's still cool. It's still cool at the end of the day. See, now that. See, I like stuff like this. This stuff is cool. It sounds good. I'll give it credit. It at least sounds good. You know, it kind of looks like that car that you'd have as a kid with the yellow top and the red bottom that you push with your feet. Wow, what the hell is that? I'll throw a photo up here, but that's what it looks like. Ooh, RB power. Yes, sir. RB 20. Yeah, 26. There you go. Damn. I gotta find out what's wrong with my RB personally. Both nice looking cars. Damn. That thing freaking ripped though. They both rip, but What time? I'm at 8 minutes. Oh, I was a little. A TDI. Okay, that's cool. I like TDIs. I think they're practical in my opinion. I mean that in the best way possible, you know. These little diesel motors. I would love to see how that like looks, that TDI motor in that small little car. There's just no, I don't. Oh, the it's a soft top 240 with the 4-cylinder Cummins. That's cool. I don't know about that exhaust, like that. I guess hood dump exhaust is what you call. I like his Porsche 944 in the back. I don't know, is it? Okay. I was like, is it? Damn. That's still cool though. It is still cool and impressive. God damn, another Cummins swap. That's a Miata. Same motor too. Damn, you talk about no room though whatsoever. Hell, the pipe has to, oh my god, the pipe has to come through the headlight. That is insane. Oh my god. Yeah, look at that. The pipe has to go through the headlights. That's actually kind of cool, though. Whoa, what the hell is this? Damn. That thing squats. Teslanda. Dude, that sounds so weird with no like noise at whatsoever. Like, oh my god, it don't sound right. It just doesn't sound right. Oh my god. Dude, you talk about a death trap. Holy crap. Oh, okay, the Nissan Jukes, they're not bad. They're not bad. They're like mid-range, but to have a GTR motor in one, still pretty damn cool. That's like that last video with that van with the GTR motor. Absolutely cool and amazing to see like stuff like that. What the hell is this? I honestly don't know what I'm looking at. It looks like, what are they called? They're like full roll cage cars. I forget what the hell they're called. They're like kit cars, pretty much. That's what it looks like. Is it like a Lotus? Yeah, it is. Okay, I see the sticker on the above right there, the Lotus. It's kind of cool looking, though, without, like, none of the body panels. I like it just this way, honestly. Damn. Of course, a V8 Tesla. I mean, that wasn't too bad. There's a couple good ones in there that I liked, but nothing that caught my eye.